Welcome to this video tutorial, and in this video tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to enhance the quality of your picture with just your smartphone. Like wow, a lot of us will be asking, oh, how can I make my picture crispy? How can I make my picture sharp? How can I make my picture wow? Come. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video tutorial. And of course, this is the 5th day of our phone to productivity series, and I hope you've learned a lot. So in case you've missed out on any of the episode, please do well to go and watch those videos, and of course you don't need to miss it. All right, so let's go to the business of the day. All right, so now this is the picture we are going to be using as a case study for this video tutorial. So I'm going to show you how to make this how to enhance the quality of this picture, make it sharp, crispy, bright, and or again. All right, come, let's do it together. So the app you'll be using for this is called Lightroom. So this is the app Lightroom. This is the app Lightroom. This is what we'll be using for this video tutorial. So click on it. We also have other photo enhancing apps, like we have Snapseed, we have PixArt, we have lots of them. But for this one, we are using Lightroom. Yeah. So now this is how the app is. No much technicalities. It's just very easy. So these are different tools. If you come down here, these are different tools. If you want to edit, so this is how the app is. Once you import your picture, you can come over to this three dots here. You click on it. You can see there are different things here. Delete, show histogram, and all those things. You can create a preset. That is, after you are done editing, you can save the preset. Then, and all those things. All these ones, there are nothing much there. You want to save, just use this share icon here. So there are different options: share to, save to device, get link, blah blah blah, and all those ones. So now these are the different tools you can use. So now let's go. So this one is Max tool. This first one here is Max tool, but actually we're using the free version of this Lightroom. This is the free version of Lightroom. So we can't apply any, we can't make use of any feature that is restricted to just to the pro users. You understand? So we will not be making use of this. Same thing with the healing tool. You understand? So now this is the crop tool. So you can use it to crop any part, any unwanted parts and stuff like that. So now we are not cropping anything here. I'm not cropping anything here. This is preset. That is the ones, things you've saved already, like the edits you've saved. This is it. This is it. Then this one is auto. If you want it to auto edit, you understand? You just use this auto. If you want it to auto edit, but now I don't want it to auto edit. You understand? Then this one is light. Although if you download this is not the updated version for 2026. This is not the 2026 updated version. So the interface might be different, but the tools are still the same. The interface might be different, but the tools are still the same. Hope you understand. So let's continue. So this one is for light. If you want to increase the light or reduce the exposure, is more about light. If you want to make it like increase the whiteness, or you understand? So I'm just going to leave it at 0. Then we have contrast. The contrast, we can increase the contrast a bit, yeah, or just to 17. Yeah, it's okay here. Then this one is highlight. You can reduce the highlights, stuff like that. Reduce this or increase this. Just move around. The shadow is more about, it makes it light. Yeah, it gives it color. You understand? Shadow kind of gives it color. Then this one, the white, if you want to, the white, this thing in it, the white elements, white colors, the white colors. If you want to increase it, make it show out well, you understand? Or you want to reduce it, you understand? So it's left for you. Anything you want to do, you understand? There is no formula to editing a picture on Lightroom. There is no formula. It all depends on the picture, and it all depends on the image and what you want to achieve. Do you want it to have this dark crispy feel, or do you want it to have this light crispy feel? So it depends on what you want to achieve. You understand? And this one is the color. Next to yellow is the color. We have the temperature. If you reduce it, it's making it bluish. If you increase it, it's making it reddish or yellowish. Now, just like you know what temperature is all about now, blue is also signifies that something is cold, something is calm. You understand? Why yellow or hot red? Is it hot red? No. Yellow or burnt orange signifies that something is hot. You understand? So temperature, when you are increasing it, you are making it hot. When you are reducing it, you are making it cool. You understand? So that's very simple. There's the basic way to explain it. Then we come to tint. When you increase it, you are making it pinkish. You are making it pinkish. When you reduce it, you are making it greenish. So it depends on what you want to achieve. Then we have vibrance. Vibrance is almost the same thing with saturation. Just that when it comes to saturation brings out the color. It enhances the color of every element in the picture. Everything in the picture, it makes it bright, colorful. You understand? It makes it colorful. But what vibrance does is that it picks out those colors that are not popping, that do not pop out very well. It will make them pop. But saturation, it will pop everything. It will make everything pop. You understand? So mostly for a designer, or if you're working with this, it's best to use vibrance instead of saturation. You understand? So this is it. You see, even though I'm increasing it, you see now let's use saturation and see what it will do. You see how it increased everything, make every color come out. So it's not good. So let's just leave the saturation at 21. We'll come to effects. When we come to effects, we have texture. Texture is to make it have this texture around it. You understand? Nothing much there. We have clarity, we have the hairs, we have vignettes. Vignettes, make it give it this dark feel around the edges, or light, make it light or dark. You understand? So that's it. We have the feather, roundness, and all these things. All these things mostly you might not really need them if you're editing a picture. You understand? What you just want, you might not need them if you're editing a picture. You understand? So this one is detail. We want to make it sharp. This is where the magic comes in. If you want to make your picture sharp, if you want to make it sharp and stuff like that. But you need to understand something when it comes to making a picture sharp. You need to understand something when it comes to making a picture sharp. If the picture is blurry, if you come here, if you bring it to Snapseed, it will Lightroom, it will not give it the best effects. You understand? It will not give it the best effect, the best results. So if you want to enhance the quality of a picture, make sure you snap with at least a good camera at a good exposure, like there is enough sunlight, there is enough light. You understand? Because if your picture is blurry, if you bring it here, it will it will still show. You understand? So that is that. So for this and if your picture is blurry and you use this sharpening, if you use this sharpening effect, it will make it look ugly. It will make it be ugly. Sorry about that. But it will not look nice. It will not be nice. You understand? So you just make it. So for this, so you can see. Let's reduce it a bit, then reduce this a bit, So that is that. We have noise reduction, color reduction, and all those things. So that's the basic things. If you want to edit just a picture, if you want to edit a picture, that's just the basic things you would need. Then in case you're a church photographer, like you snap pictures you used to take pictures during Sunday service and all those things, and you want the church logo to be in the picture. There's a very simple way to do it. So let me show you how to do it. So you do it when you want to export the picture, when you want to export your image. So now we are done with our edits. When you want to export, you can look at the before. You can see how it was before. See the after. Wow, this is wonderful. This is wow. I'm so much in love with this. All right, so that is that for this. So now let's come to say, okay, if you want to undo, you can use this icon here. Click on undo. If you want to redo, click on redo. You understand? So that is that. Then you come here, come to share, this share icon here. Come to this share icon here. You see this place that says save to device. You can actually save it to device. It's already saving. So if, like I said, if you're a church creative, like you are a church photographer and you're editing with Snapseed and you want to add the church logo, you understand, or the program logo, you understand. So this is how to do it. You just come to this share icon. You click on export as. You see export as. Then you see this place that say include watermark. Make sure it is on. Then you click on customize. Then okay, this is you can import. You come here, go to the option that might come out first might be text. So you click on graphics. When you come to graphics, then you select your picture. You understand? I already have a picture here already. You can see the picture. Then you can come here to increase the size. You understand? Then opacity. Do you want it to be bright or dark? You understand? So this is observe. Do you want it to be up, down, and stuff like that? Horizontal, I think is not, probably because of one thing or the other. I don't know. So that is that. Let's make it bright a bit. So once you are done, you just go back, then you click on good. It's exporting. So that is it, our before and after. Wow, this is nice. So let's go to our gallery. So this is our before. So let's go to our gallery. So this is our after. So you see how bright and nice it is. So this is a very simple way to edit your picture, to make it crispy, nice, wow, and beautiful or handsome. All right, thank you for staying to this time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do well to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel in case you are yet to do it. And I'll be dropping more updates like this. Although today is the last day for the Phones Productivity series, but I'll still be dropping more updates like this. So do well to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, share. Also drop your observation, your comments in the comment section, and I or any member of my team would respond to you swiftly, or will respond to you immediately. And one more thing, I have my graphic design course that I'll be launching on the 1st of March 2026. The course is currently going for 10,000 naira. In case you want to learn how to design with your smartphone, if you want to learn how to design with your phone, this course is for you. In case you're a business person, you're a student, you're a copper, and you want to learn how to design with your smartphone, I'm telling you, this course is for you. You really need this course. It is self-explanatory. I'm going to show you a step-by-step method how to design with your smartphone. Starting from ideation, starting from the principles of design, color theory, typography, everything you need to know, like the basis. I will start with the basis. I will explain everything you need to know about design. Then after that, we'll have practical sections. Like you can see, there are lots of designs here that we are done with my smartphone. This design here was done with my smartphone 100%. Yeah, 100% with my smartphone. A lot of them. More and more of them, like all these designs here. This one was done with my smartphone, and many of them. So I'm going to be showing you how to design with your smartphone. And your design, see, this one is also, all these things we are done with my phone, and it's not even with Canva. I used Pixel Lab for them, and it's very, very easy, only if you understand the system, only if you understand how it works. And I'm going to be showing you how to do it. I have trained over 40 students how to design with their smartphone, and they're already making money from it. Design is not complex, it's not complicated, it's just that you don't understand how it works. I'm also going to show you how to brand yourself as a solution provider. and not to be begging for clients. How to position yourself so our clients will be the ones looking for you and not you be the one looking for clients. So in case you are interested, the link to the course will be in the description. So do well to get a copy. The link to the course will be in the description. So do well to click on it and purchase it. I trust you are not going to regret it. So thank you very much. So back to the video. Hope you learned something. Thank you. Bye.